Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya. Today I am going to be making chicken popcorn. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 2 chicken breasts, I have made it into small pieces, oregano powder, oil, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili vinegar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, some breadcrumbs and all-purpose flour. Our first step is to add salt, pepper, chili flakes, oregano powder, soya sauce, chili vinegar, corn flour and egg. Now mix all the ingredients well along with the chicken. Next, add a little salt and chili powder to the breadcrumbs and all-purpose flour. Give it a nice mix. Start coating all the chicken pieces with the mixture of breadcrumbs and all-purpose flour. Now heat some oil in a pan in medium flame and deep fry the chicken. Once it turns golden brown, transfer it to a plate. Our hot and crispy chicken popcorns are ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked my video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.